Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. So if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel. So today's notification is about Accenture Freshers Recruitment 2020. So they are hiring for freshers and the position they are hiring for associate position, okay? And any degree can apply for this job. Okay, so you can see the job location is for Bangalore and qualification they are asking for any graduation and the designation will be management level new associate. The job skill they are requiring that customer service technology support and the year of experience they are asking 0 to 2 years experience. So freshers as well as experienced candidate also can apply for this job. Those who are having 2 years or less than 2 years of experience, those can apply. So the job summary here it is given that you will align with their customer support vertical and help there in managing and resolving customer query. You need to responsible for closing the fault and complaints, and you need to have good skills of management of customer service, good communication skills, and you will provide a technical assistance to the customer for the use of specific system. Your role and responsibilities are given here that you will be an individual contributor, a part of a team. The decision you will make that impact your own work also. Your primary interaction is with your own team and your direct supervisor. So it is applicable to any graduate. So you can apply it from here after clicking on apply link. So you can apply this job by using your phone. So I am also doing that using the mobile screen, and you can do it in your mobile phone also. You can apply it from your mobile phone. What you need to do, you just click on the apply link, then it will redirect it to the Accenture career page. Then you need to apply now for the particular position, that 13 new associate query management. The job number must be there, this number 61253. I will give this link in my description box. Please find it from there and apply for it, those who are eligible for it and those who are want to apply for it. So just clicking on apply now, it will be redirected to the login form. You need to give your email address and password if you are there signed in, if you want to sign in their website, or if you are new to their website, then you need to do your sign up. Then clicking on sign up, the sign up page will be open to you. So yeah, here you can give your email address, with which email address you need to sign up, that just give that one, and create a password, a strong password. There a specification of password and you need to retype your password. Some details you need to fill: first name, last name, your country, your state, city. If you have a LinkedIn profile, then you need to give it there, or mostly you have to prepare your CV or resume. You need to browse your resume and upload it here, and you need to choose the location or the country you like to work in, and also you need to mention the city you want to work in and your year of experience. So select your primary job function, how much do you want to travel. So it is a good opportunity to those who are want to travel. And then if you have experience in select industry, then just select it from here. And if you have no experience, then you can ignore this thing. Okay, so just close it, clear all. Okay, so just give your select industry. Then if you want to get the updates from their website like job alerts, any talent connection, business insights, career blog they want to share with you, then just you need to click on here this tick mark, and then you need to give the captcha and type it here, and you need to register. Okay, after registering you need to sign in and apply for the job. So this is the small notification I have given to you. If you think it is applicable to you, please apply it, and please like this video and subscribe my channel to get this type of job notification daily. Stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Thank you.